Okay, maybe it'll work this time. Okay, this is actually the second take. It's actually the next day, 2 days. So, this is the first video on the new GoPro. Bought me a GoPro Hero 5 and I am testing out the video right now. And it's got a back piece, I like that. It's got a back camera, I can see what I'm looking at now. So yeah, not that there's anything wrong with my Hero 3 here. It's just, you know, I mean, I'm starting to think about ways I can make better videos. So I don't know, I had this bright idea of when I'm in the tractor, I can stick one up over here in the cab and I can stick the other one up over here and get some, I don't know, I got the idea from Grassman. You ever watch that channel? It's Silage film people over in Ireland, I think, and every time I see that, I think that's pretty cool. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna get me a window mount for this one. I've got one for this one. It's right here. Although I think they are bi-directional, because the guy told me, he said the 5. Oh yeah, that'll work. Yeah, that works. He said the 5 can be compatible with the 3 attachments. So anyway, yeah, that's just a little something I spent some money Monday. Yeah, Monday I bought it. So yeah, it just got done raining. It's rained pretty much all day. And I figured the first video I could do with this is there went some thunder right there. Is some soybean update. The soybeans here, they are looking pretty good. As you can tell, it's muddy. It is muddy. So yeah, their soybeans are looking pretty good. Nothing to complain about. Stands pretty good. I'm not real up to date on what what's it called? What stages they are. But that's what they look like right there. And it's probably, they're probably, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 inches, something like that. The corn, we've only gotten one farm top dressed right now, and that corn is up to over my knee right now. It did get top dressed last week, and the rest of it's not that tall. I mean, it's still, whenever it dries up, this next week's looking pretty good. So the rest of the farms will have to be top dressed, and yeah, they're looking, corn, the stands on all the corn's looking real good too. So looking real good right now. So as long as we just keep getting rain, we'll all be happy campers. So thanks for watching. This is a short one. I'll see if I can't get this uploaded here shortly, and this is just a test. I just test video of the new camera, so we'll go from there. Catch y'all later.